Hey YouTube, Derek here with another awesome video. I'm doing a really cool little project here involving Pokemon. See, they're made of clay. I'm going to be doing a stop motion with this. It's actually based off of a short story sort of serial I wrote on DeviantArt, Pokemon Derek's Johto Journey. It's kind of, Derek is like a spoof on my own name, obviously, because the idea was like I was going on my own Pokemon adventure, and the thing is, when you play those games, like you kind of develop your own sort of story along the way, because your main character is pretty like he's like a silent protagonist. One of my first Pokemon games was the original Gold. I got it from my brother, so that's kind of where I base it. Is my character starts in there, and then I kind of have this idea where they slowly, go from being a kid and eventually like grow up and see, become a Pokemon master. Training massive, strong Pokemon. But yeah, this is how you make a Pokeball. You got your pieces here. So basically, what you're gonna want to do is take your couple little balls here, re-roll two sort of similar sized balls, and then you get yourself a little bit of black, and you roll that out, and then you want to take the two halves, stick them together, make a little sort of Krabby Patty kind of deal here. And you take your little strip of black and you roll it into a little snake, and then you put the snake around the ball section. If your snake's not quite long enough, you just add a little extra piece there, and then you got yourself a proper Pokeball. And then give it the little stamp of approval here on the front. I think you want to grab a little bit of black too, just to sort of outline the white, cell shading and whatnot. And once you put that little piece on there, as you can see, then you want to take your white and take a smaller piece of white, not too big, and then stick it right on the front, and then boom, there you go. Now you got yourself a clay Pokeball, and you can catch them all with the Pokeball. Yeah, so that's how you make a Pokeball, kids. Give it a shot. Remember to like and comment. I like to hear what you guys think about these creations of mine, and hopefully they're inspiring you some way. Thank you.